Hey guys, so I've been meaning to do this video for quite a while, but I haven't got a chance to do it yet. We're doing it today. So this whole video is going to be about wind noise, microphones on these GoPros, on the Action 3s, any kind of action cam that you might be using. So right now I'm recording with both my GoPro 8 and my Action 3. And when we're just sitting here talking with no wind, no nothing, everything sounds great. Everything is good to go. But the minute that I turn a fan on and I go and I ride my dirt bike, I stand out in the pits and I'm trying to talk and record something while the wind is hurricaning through the pits. All you hear is this. And now right now, I'm going to put you on the Action 3 so you can hear the wind noise with nothing changed or different. If you can even hear me. And that's what the sound of riding your dirt bike, the sound of the wind blowing through the pits. This is only probably 20 miles an hour of wind. When you're going 60 on your dirt bike, it's way worse. So now I'm going to switch you over to the GoPro Hero 8, which I've already put sound abatement on it. Basically, it's like a foam, a microphone filter, a wind filter. So now I'm going to switch you to that, and you're going to listen and hear me talk at the same time as the wind's going. Same wind that was on the Action 3, but now it's got the abatement. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to go ahead and turn the Action 3 to look at the GoPro. So as you can see, there's two microphones on the GoPro. One straight below this lens and one over here on the side. There's also one down in the bottom, but it doesn't really matter because it's underneath everything. So what I've done is I've taken some foam, and yes, it's kind of whatever cheap and easy way to do it, but I just straight super glued the foam onto it. When the foam gets torn up, gets messed up too bad, I tear it off, scrape the glue off, put new glue on, and that's how I do the wind abatement. You don't have to go buy expensive microphone filter foam to do this. I believe this was servos or an electric motor for RC cars. I think when I did my daughter's RC car, this was the motor for it. And I just cut it up into the size and shape I need. Super glue it on, and bam, wind noise is gone. I hate listening to videos and watching videos of people riding without this because it's so overpowering, especially if you try and do it with headphones or like I have a surround sound on my TV. If you don't have wind abatement on your cameras, it just sounds terrible. You can't hear the bikes, you can't talk to the bike or talk to the listeners while you're riding your bike. You can't do anything. So far right now on the Action 3, I haven't done anything yet. It doesn't have any wind abatement. There's a microphone, I think there's either one or three of them right here on the front. So I'm basically going to end up doing the exact same thing. I'm going to take some of my foam, I'm going to put it across these. That way it has the wind abatement, the wind control on the microphones, and it should be working just as good as the GoPro always did with the wind. Not being so whistly, not overriding the sound of everything else, being able to still talk to the camera while I ride. And if you can go buy, I forget what they call them, cats, furry cats, fuzzy cats, something or another, that they actually look like cat fur that you can put on here too. I don't like it because it gives too much stuff to fly up in the way of the lens. Both of these cameras, as you can tell, the microphones are right underneath the lenses. And on my last race, or not last race, but on a race last year, this foam came loose and actually flew up and got in the way of the lens of the camera while I was riding. So I like to have it be, as small and discreet as I can, but still have the wind cancellation. And some of those dead cats are, super long, would stick out, and the fur would get flying up in front of the camera. So I don't prefer to use those. They might do better in the wind. I'm not sure. I just know that microphones for singers, for music recording, have been using these white, or the foam filters, the pop filters, and they work great for wind, great for breath, so whatever. So I just wanted to make this short vid, give you guys a comparison of what it sounds like when you have wind abatement, when you have something that takes that wind noise out, and what it sounds like when it doesn't. And hope you guys, use that, take it out and use it, because there's so many videos on YouTube that you can't even listen to, you can't even watch, because there's so much wind noise. You know, we can do better than that. I wish the manufacturers would do better than that and figure out a way to put these foams on there from the factory, but whatever. Easy way to fix it. Thanks for watching, guys.